Here's another obstacle, but I think this is much better than the previous one. Okay. Careful. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch the head. Watch the head. Watch the head. There you go. See? Let's see if Grandpa can make it. I think Grandpa can make it. Wow, 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 wow. Ooh. Yeah. Huh. All right. I make it again. Ooh. Damo bags sa likod ko. Never mind, panaog na tayo. I think somebody built a log cabin here. Yeah, I think that is his log cabin. Oh, yeah, I think somebody lived there because he had a I mean mail. See that? Yeah. Somebody lives here. Some people love solitary lifestyle. They want to be far away from civilization. And some stupid guy leave their trash here. I don't know. Okay. Oh, in my phone, we just met a hiker, probably a family like us. And I think they love hiking too, like us. Hello. Hi. Noah had that. Oh, Noah, look at that. You're not alone.
Is his name Noah too?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a Noah.
Oh my God. Hey, where's Noah? Oh, hey Noah.
Noah's that one right?
Oh my.
Coming.
Yeah. They.
You ready?
They're big family. Oh, look at that! Look at that
Young,
Noah!
young, right?
He doesn't need any backpack like you. Look, oh, baby. How old is he? How old is he?
She is 4 months.
Boy or girl?
Girl.
Oh, girl. Oh, okay. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Take care.
Yeah. Where are you from? We're from West Covina.
Barstow.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right.
Got to get out of the heat.
Oh yeah, of course. Get out of the house.
Yes.
My God. They quarantine us for so long. Okay, take care, buddy. See? That family came from Barstow. They got to get out from the heat because it's now summer and Barstow is a desert town. That's the town going to Las Vegas. It's halfway between LA and Las Vegas. That's where we stop when we drive up down there. And here's another family. Oh, just like us. Oh, look at that. So, this is a very popular hiking destination for the family. Hello, hi. Yeah, enjoy the folder.
Nice.
Beautiful. Yeah. Where are you from?
Your Belinda?
Wow. We're from Wiscovina,
Okay.
15 miles away. Hello, nice meeting you guys.
Have a good day.
Yeah. It's good to come out of the house once in a while. They lock us down. Yeah, that's another family, I think, from your Balenda. Finally, we're back on the main highway. Okay. As I pause here, I hope you enjoy our ride. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button below so that you will be notified for my upcoming video. Thank you for watching.